target, mapping, maplet, transformation, session, and batch. So and Informatica has some standard rules to follow, like as per the best practices. They do provide some standard naming standards for source and targets. So let's move on for naming standards. So let's object is here, we have source. So for the prefix we put src lower underscore and then project name. So this is the normally we follow the standard. Normally src underscore the project name or the source table name. So here is the one example I gave, like src underscore clarified case table 2i. So you can use that one as a project or table name, but the standard is this one, src underscore. So here is the screenshot I gave. And now same thing for target, instead of src for source and now target for tgt. So here is the tgt underscore project name, same way as source. So now let's move on to the next one. So let's say if we have source and target as like flat file, so you can use like prefix is flat file name, and that name should be in lowercase. And then in the example, if you see here, this src_tui underscore i2.dat. So this is how the standard should look like. Now next is mapping and maplet naming standards. So here is the mapping. So it's always start with m underscore lower m and the project name, and you can put mapping functionality or something. So here is the example, m clarify lowercase d. So normally if you want to go with target table name, you can also use that m underscore your target table name. So this is the standard for m underscore for mapping. And for next one, this is again same thing. And this is now transformation naming standards. So for source qualifier it is sq underscore and the project name or target table name. Same thing for expression, exp lower underscore project name or table name. Here is the example just I show you. For filter it is fil underscore project name or target table name. This is lookup, lkp lower underscore the target name or project name. For update strategy it should be upd underscore, and then what are the standard we follow for the project or target names. Same thing for stored procedures, spt underscore the project name. For aggregator, agg underscore the project name. This is for joiner, jnr underscore project name. For normalizer transformation it is nrm underscore project name. For rank it is rnk underscore project name. For sequence generator it should be seq underscore the project name, and this all should be in lowercase. And external procedure transformation expt prog underscore project name. Advanced external procedure advexpt prog. And now this is like for session, so it should be in mapping we have m underscore, in session it is like s underscore. So whatever the initial one, lower s and the mapping name. And this is the some of the database connection. That is again might be different depending on the projects, but normal you can go for source s underscore and target for t underscore, but it is again might be different in each project. But for Informatica side what we saw, in previous slides. That is the standard naming conventions for Informatica. So for best practices, can use that naming standards. All right, thank you.